Lot of information, seeing the true legends right in front of me. I'm speechless right now. I'm so speechless. Just give me a second. Just give me a second to digest all this. I know it will take a lot of time. Maybe I won't be able to sleep today since I've seen these people right in front of my eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's been... No, thank you. It's perfect. It's been 4 to 5 years I was not on stage. So, okay, starting my journey, I was an assistant professor by profession. So I was a teacher, teaching marketing. I did my MBA in marketing and finance. About my graduation, I did my English honors from Chandigarh itself. And all I knew was that teaching is in my blood, since all the female members of my family are into teaching. This was clear in my head, teacher banne, padhane, and the other thing, paisa nahi mangna. Like, I always wanted to be independent right from my childhood, right? Then I was working in various renowned universities in Gurgaon, then coming to Chandigarh. I worked in Chandigarh University for some time, and then as every female's life goes, maternity period came. Career ki band, weight gain, medical issues, health issues, and there came the point in my life when I was like feeling so much, I was like so sick. Once we went to Vaishno Devi, you must have heard of it, right? There we have to like walk for like 30 kilometers. And that was the point when I actually realized I'm not able to hold my baby and walk for just few miles. I was so breathless, there was a constant fatigue, and then I thought this is the moment I have to do something for myself. Kuch karna padega, ab to karna hi padega. Like, this is not how I have to live my life. All my life I have seen myself like this is how I am. And let me tell you, I was like 74 after my baby, and I am the same before my baby, which was the weight originally. Like, I was 54 and now again I am 54. All thanks to fat and model. So one day Rupali, my friend, she's from US, and she introduced me to this fat when I told her about my physical condition, what I was facing. And she told me this is how I have reduced weight. She lost 30 kgs, let me tell you. And I was like, yaar, the very first thing which actually my mentees, my clients, my leads, my prospects ask me, yaar, ye kya dawaiyan de rahe ho aap? And I literally said her, ki yaar, ye kya dawaiyan de ke mere ko patla karoge? And when she explained about the ingredients, I was like, okay, I trust you, shuru karte hain. And here I am. Then people have actually started asking me, yaar, aapne kiya kya hai? Obviously, when you lose weight and when you lose so much of weight, people start asking you. And when I lost weight, people started asking me, and I actually lost weight around 22 kgs. And I participated in a beauty pageant. And I won there as like Mrs. India Globe Exclusive and Extraordinary. Thank you. उस टाइम पे like when you participate in these beauty pageants, एक वो कीड़ा शायद सब में ही जाग जाता है, तो वो मेरे में भी आ गया कि यार अब तो सोशल वर्क करना है, मेरे को हेल्प करनी है लोगों की. I don't know how, but I have to do something. Then Rupali introduced me to this business. Like, Preeti, this is how you can help people. And what I have gone through, the confidence level, the health issues. So I was like, okay, chalo, karte hain start. She told me there is no investment. You will be given proper trainings and everything, and you are sitting free. Because I was at my home. जब मैं teaching में थी तो एक चीज मेरे लिए clear थी. I don't want to go back to that 9 to 5 job. Actually, India में 9 to 5 होता नहीं है. As you all know, it starts from 5 in the morning and it keeps on going like 10, 11, 12, right? So I was like, no, I'm not going back to my college, back to my boring job. So I wanted to do something. मेरा शुरू से ऐसा रहा है, मैंने शायद पहले भी फेसबुक पे शेयर किया, शायद आप में से कुछ लोगों ने देखा होगा कि मैं हमेशा से ही I'm like I cannot take anything where I'm not wrong. So I used to take my resignation letter every day in my bag कि भाई अगर किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, I am going to resign and come back. Like I want to be my own boss. This was always in my mind. So I started this. I just registered. She said there is no cost and everything. I was like, okay, fine. मैंने register कर दिया, देखते हैं. I started the social media profiling. I was given trainings. मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ आपकी trainings देखी थी गुरुकुल में. But I'm seeing you for the first time. So Deepti, Ankit, Rupali, all were giving trainings and everything. I was loving it. Social profiling शुरू कर दी. शौक तो पहले से ही था Facebook और Instagram का. Pictures डालते रहते थे, comments आते थे, likes आते थे. 3-4 घंटे spend भी करते थे. But then how I started my profiling along with this my weight loss journey for Modair, fat, working and everything, people have started asking me. And there was a person who actually said me, like my husband has also gained lot of weight gradually and भाई पहले उसको पतला करके दिखाओ. They literally said me this. And he was like, yeah, I actually am seeing you. I have seen your amazing results. I am seeing a lot of people who you are working with. Let's do this. He lost around 12-13 kgs just last month. And then came my second mentee. She was my student. Like when I was in my first job, she was my student. शायद आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों ने देखा होगा Facebook पे, सरबजीत. So she lost like 22 kgs in just 45 days. It's not a job, guys. It's not a job. 22 किलो 45 दिन में कम करना, it's not a job. और वो भी healthy खाना खा के. And I could not believe my eyes. मैंने इतना weight lose नहीं किया था, इतनी जल्दी weight lose नहीं किया था. Like what she is doing. And people were actually thinking I'm doing some miracle. There was like fire on my Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, everywhere. And they wanted to see her. Then I brought her live and people were amazed. कि यार आप कर क्या रहे हो? People have started asking me what you are doing. And this is how my journey started. एक चीज मेरे को शुरू से ही clear था. I always love Instagram, I always love Facebook, but what's better than you are earning money with it? आप Facebook पे बैठो, आप Instagram पे बैठो, जो कि हम सब बैठते हैं, but what's better than you are earning money too? So this is how it goes. And when Sarabjeet came to me, she said to me that, ma'am, I want to lose weight. I have tried almost every diet, Instagram, internet, YouTube, keto, intermittent, Herbalife, blah blah blah, सब कुछ try किया. And she did not even ask me about the supplements which I am giving to her. She just started and she lost. And when she lost 22 kgs, one day she called me and she told me, ma'am, मेरे husband और मेरे mother-in-law आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं. Literally she said to me this, and she was like, ma'am, अगर वो आपको एक बार मिल लेना तो वो आपकी पूजा करेंगी. She said to me this, like the medical issues she was facing, इतना बुरी हालत थी उसकी, and I was into tears. I was into tears actually. And then there was no looking back. There was no looking back. It's like I just want to be connected with Modair, with fat all throughout my life. Thank you so much.